How to add auto captions text to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now you can upload a new video from here or just choose from your drafts. For example, I have already this video. Now go down here, click on the text option and click on auto captions right here and click add captions, and it will be auto generated, as you can see, from sounds easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.